5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Into left 4 plus 130. Right 2 opens to 1 long, max 100. To turn, very tight hairpin right. Left 1 long, max 100. To turn, slippy braking, hairpin left. .200. Crest long, max 60 down. Flat left 2 long at bush, and right 1 opens over crest. 100. Right 1 max 200. Left 1 over crest, bump tightens to 2 plus, don't cut. 150. Long left 2 nips, and right 1 on crest. 30. Left 1, right 5 very long. 40. Slippy left 5, 40. Left 1, tightens to 2 long over crest, max 200. Right 1 plus, max 170. Right 1 long, 40. Right 5 opens, very long for 100. .170. To chicane, left entry. 80. Right 1 plus long, max 300. Very fast right 2 over junction on crest, and crest 300. To care, left 2 continues and tightens very, very long. Into left 5 at the opening. It tightens once and it gets the opening, tightens to 5. And left 1 long on crest, don't cut, 60. Left 1, 350. Small crest max, 60 down. Left 2 very long on crest, 40. Open hairpin right plus long. 60. Right 5 plus on crest, and left 4 plus, 60. To chicane, left entry.
Up the hill.
Up the hill, yep. 80. Right 1 plus, 150. Left 1 plus, 100. Crest. Right 1 max, 250.
Flat.
Yep. Right 1 max, 350.
Whoa.
Fucking hell. Caution, left 3 tightens to 6 long. At the top of the hill. It's caution, left 3 tightens to 6 long. 60.
Oh, that's fucking not you again.
Small crest long, 30. Right 4 plus, half long, 130. Caution, turn right 6. Hairpin left long. Right 6, yeah, to hairpin left. This is new now. Right 6 opens to the junction, 500. Crest long max. Into bump tip, 250.
What's this?
Crest bump max, 250. Into left, into chicane. Right entry, 3 bales.
Where?
You should see it. After this. There it is.
Right entry or left?
Yeah, right entry. 170. Crest max 200 through the dip. To crest 30, braking. Caution, right 6 plus long. It makes you listen now. 40. Left 4 on crest, right 3, don't cut. 60. Left 3 half long fast. 130. Right 5 plus on crest opens for 150. Into. Left 1 plus on crest max. 30. Right 140. Turn square left. 80. Crest. Long max 130. Left 4 plus long cut. 170 up the middle. Here, right 1 on crest 40. Hairpin left loose. .80 up the middle. Left 1 past small crest 40. Tight right 4 very long. 100. Good. Left 3 minus and right 2. Left 2. Right 2 on crest 40. Left 2 on crest max 80. Right 2 cut 100. Right 2 long max unseen cut 80. Right 1 plus long max 100.
What's this?
Right 1. Left 1 don't cut 20 braking chicane. Left entry 3 bales. 40 down. Right 4 through the dip and left 3 opens max long 100. Left 3 don't cut on crest 350. Slowing right 1 on crest into left 1 20. Chicane left entry 3 bales. Into right 3 40. Left 1 plus 40. Right 4 130. Left 3 on crest 130. Right 4 plus on crest. Into. Left 1 minus half long 40. Caution left 6. 100. Right 1 max 40 over junction. 40. Right 1 long max unseen 130. To left 3 camber 80. Right 1 tightens to 3 slippy 130. Left 1 on crest and left 2 half long don't cut and left 1 max don't cut 150. Right 1 continues for 200 max 130. Right 1 max 60. Left 2 right 2 left 3 40 hairpin right. The left 3 through the posts. Right 2 130. Right 1 long over crest max 100 over crest max. Right 2 plus half long 150. Right 1 long over crest max 40. To left 1 40. Max through post 150. Left 2 plus long falls away 200 through the dip. Right 1 long into caution crest max 40 mid through the posts 100. Double caution left 6 at narrow posts 40. Left 2 on crest. Right 3 past the lane 60. Right 1 tightens to 3 plus 300. With caution left 1 on crest 40 down hairpin left plus. .130. Left 2 opens long cut max 60. Small crest max 150 down over long crest to care. Left 2 long into left 4 minus to 30. Caution right 6 long tighted to square right. Until left 1 long max and Right 2 tightens the medium 5 cut. Past the lane and crest.
Stay up.
To right 1 tightens. 60 to finish. 250. Could be pinned all the way. Okay.
Rigs are just starting to go.
Are they? Well done.
Stage.